Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I wanted to share a quick DIY video using these metal picture frames that you can find from the Dollar Tree. They're by the Special Moments brand. They do come in another shape and color, I believe gold, but this circular shape is the one I'm going to be using for this DIY. Now this is perfect for the upcoming Valentine's holiday, but you can also use this as everyday decor if you like these colors, as well as if you decorate with hearts. So first things first, I'm going to use some yarn that I had on hand. This yarn here, I believe, is from Walmart, but you can use Dollar Tree yarn, Hobby Lobby yarn, any type of yarn that you may have. The thicker the yarn, the easier it is to wrap because it'll take less yarn as far as coverage goes. But I like this color here. It's like a pale pink color. Again, it's a little bit on the thicker side than the Dollar Tree alternative. And all I'm doing is just adding some hot glue to the starting point and then winding it and adding hot glue along the way in different parts just to secure it down into place. Now, as I'm winding this, I'm making sure that I have it tightly woven together, where they are really close together so that you can't see the black metal. And I'm just going to wind this all around the circular shape of this frame until I reach the end, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie a little knot and then hot glue that down into place. Now I could have painted the stand of this just to make everything coordinate, but I just kept that as is. Didn't really bother me much, but I could go back later and paint it if I wanted to. Now I went ahead and added more yarn, hot gluing it down in a horizontal fashion, just leaving a gap in between. I just wanted to add that same color going horizontally so that it sort of ties everything together and the center part doesn't look too plain, and it just adds a decorative feel and gives it more dimension. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep hot gluing this, just making sure to leave a gap in between. I didn't want this to be like closely glued together. I wanted to where you can still see through the picture frame. And I'm going to continue this step and just cut the ends off until I reach the bottom. The next thing I did was I took this really cute ribbon from Dollar Tree. It's a pink ribbon with heart cutouts. And what I did was just hot glued one to the bottom and I believe somewhere along the center and top. I didn't go too much with this ribbon here. Just wanted to add a little bit of the hearts design. Just again to add more interest to this piece and to bring in more of that Valentine's look. So I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue that across and then snip off the ends. The ones for behind the photo frame, I just hot glue that to the back side where you're able to still see it through the front. Next up, I added another layer. I went in with this gray colored yarn. This one is from the Dollar Tree. This is more of a thinner style yarn. I wanted to go in between the gaps of the pink yarn just to add a different color, a contrast, if you will, so that everything is not looking too pink. I wanted to just add this different color here, again, just to coordinate with the pink and also add more interest and dimension. And I really like that I did this because I think it really does make it look a little bit better. And then last but not least, I took one of these wooden hearts that came in a pack and hot glued that down to the corner. The next DIY, this one's going to be a super easy one, a lot quicker than the first. I took that same picture frame and I grabbed these 3 hearts from the Dollar Tree pack of hearts. They do come in different shapes and sizes. I decided with this sort of elongated looking heart in 3 different colors. And then I decided to just hot glue that down like it's sort of cascading down the side of the photo frame using some hot glue. Now I wasn't sure and I wasn't confident in the hot glue actually keeping this in place because it is metal and sometimes things just don't stick very well to metal when you're using hot glue. So I went in with a piece of ribbon and just added more hot glue to the back and used that ribbon to sort of secure the hearts into place. I used that same velvet red ribbon, made a simple shoestring bow, and decided to hot glue that down to the opposite side of where the hearts were. And I think it added that final touch that this needed, and this is how it came out. I think these were super easy updo to these frames, and I hope you guys enjoyed this simple DIY. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next one.